Hello, I'm Mr. McLean. I'm Deputy Head of Science at Parkwood Academy, and I'm going to talk to you about a revision strategy that works well for our subject, okay? So, flashcards are an amazing revision tool, and we can use them something called the lightener system. This is a way of you being able to separate out your revision and being able to work on your strengths and mostly your weaknesses, okay? So you're able to buy flashcards places like Amazon, around about £5. You can get a set for biology, a set for chemistry, a set for physics, or you can just buy the combined science sets. They also do a set for Key Stage 3 science. Or, if you wanted to, you could go to a website that's like Physics and Maths Tutor. It's not just about physics and maths, there's all the sciences on there for you, and you've got unlimited free resources, flashcards that have already been pre-made, and you can just click yourself through them, test yourself that way, or if you wanted to, you could print them off and use them in the system that I'm about to show you. The other option is, you could make your own. So if you were to make your own flashcards, you could add your own diagrams, you could add your own colours, and you could have a really nice set of homemade flashcards. So the system that I'm going to teach you about is a way of you organising your revision. Essentially, you need 3 boxes or trays with the words there, every other day, every week, and then finally, every day. So you can work out what you're good at and what you're not very good at. Now, I've already done some of these questions, I've already practiced, so I'm going to show you how it works. In your everyday box, these are the ones which are going to be the ones which you need to work on the most. So, if I was to get a question right, so for example, true or false, antibiotics are used to treat viruses, true or false?
True.
It's false, I'm sorry to tell you. Alright, the answer is false. Now, if I got that right, I can move that up into the next box. And that means that I'm going to see the questions less often that I am really good at, okay? But it means that I'm going to see more of the questions that I'm not so good at. So every time I have to get a question right, I move it up a box, I see it less frequently, and every time I get a question wrong, I move it back to the start. So it's a way of you making sure that you're revising constantly topics that you are not as good at, okay? Now this is something I strongly recommend for science. It's a way of you making sure that you target your revision to your weaker areas of the subject, okay?